Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Clement, and today we're making daikon, green onions, carrots, broccoli, steak, ginger, and garlic. So we're gonna break the garlic up, get it out of the husk, out of the shell. All right. So we got our garlic all broke up, and we're just gonna dice some of this up. So we're gonna put this in the chopper instead of taking all night trying to cut up everything. Since we've already got it peeled, don't throw a bunch of them in here. This makes the work a little easier. And then carrots. All right, so we're gonna be chopping our green onions. I'll take the backs off here, and I'm gonna go from this direction. So yeah, you see anything in the videos, even the camera I'm recording with is available in my TikTok shop. So yeah, if you're looking for any of this stuff. All right, so we're gonna put our green onions to the side. All right, so we got our green onions put to the side, and we're just gonna cut a little piece of this daikon off. We don't need it all. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the carrots. Get it cleaned up. It's got a lot of dirt on it, a lot of soil. So we're cutting up some carrots, and we cut up the daikon, and we got this little gadget here. It's gonna allow us to get some pretty even chips out of here. All right, so we're gonna throw some carrots in here, do the same thing. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing to our ginger. Just gonna shave it a little bit. All right, so we're gonna take our ginger, slice it. All right, so I've already started to cut some bottoms off the broccolis. We're gonna cut this off. And once I get it cut, we're gonna rinse it up. So we got this here. We're not done though. I don't think we're gonna need this other piece of broccoli because we got a lot of carrots here. All right, so we're gonna switch things around, get the area a little clear. We got our green onions, our ginger, and our garlic. Now we're going to prepare our meat here. All right, so I'm just gonna take the meat out of here since it's already thinly sliced. Really nice thin slices. And I'm just gonna cut it across. All right, and I'm gonna cut this way too. You wanna transfer it to a dish here. And what we wanna do is add some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of this, a little rice wine vinegar, a little bit of cornstarch. That's a lot. We're not gonna use that much. A little bit of salt, a little black pepper. Now that you got all these things in there, you wanna add a little oil. And then you just wanna mix it up. Okay, so just to recap your mixture for your beef. You're gonna have rice wine, you're gonna have you some oil, you're gonna have some cornstarch, you're gonna have some black pepper if you want, that's optional, some baking soda, and some salt. So you wanna let your meat marinate. All right, so for our broccoli sauce, we're gonna take a little sugar, about a tablespoon of sugar, a little water. We're gonna add a little sesame oil. I'll put a little cornstarch in here. All right. Can't forget the most important ingredient, soy sauce. So that's your sauce for your beef and broccoli. Okay, so just to recap, you're gonna have sugar, sesame oil, you're gonna have soy sauce, cornstarch, and water, and you're gonna mix those and combine them, and this will be your sauce for your beef and broccoli. Okay, so now you want to take your marinated meat and put it on the pan and get it fried. So you want to stir fry your meat pan fry it. So when the rinse is not pink anymore, when it's no longer pink, you want to take it out and set it in a bowl or something to the side. This is kind of how you want it. And then you want to take it and remove it out of here. So in that same pan, if it's not too messy like mine, hopefully your pan is cleaner, you want to take your garlic and your ginger. All right, so once the aromatics start releasing from the ginger and the garlic, you want to add your sauce. All right, so now that you have your water boiling, you just want to add your broccoli and your carrots. All right, so when you got your sauce doing that, boiling, you want to add your meat back in. Be careful, it's hot. All right, so we're transferring this. So we got our, we're going to put our fresh vegetables in. There it is, the beef and broccoli. All right, so if you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you'll be aware of when I'm dropping new content. And this is the beef and broccoli with carrots and daikon. The recipe is available. I would appreciate it. It helps grow my channel. So thank you so much.